Second, risks don't come readily, but not much about Volkswagen has been painless recently. The 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan is a big compact crossover SUV or a small midsizer, perhaps climbing the comeback road for the automaker. Like the full-size Atlas, the Tiguan aims straight at purchasers' advantages for tall-riding vehicles that are full on tech and light on cost. Shoppers very interested in compact crossover SUVs are upset by choice right now. Each automaker is putting its best paw presented to enticement purchasers into showrooms. Volkswagen's effort is admirable, if somewhat anodyne, and is a solid step back into some purchasers' good graces. We give the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan a 6.8 overall, which reflects our opinion of the available features and consolation. We expect that tally may rise when official refuge data is made available. Volkswagen deserves spots for a crossover SUV that does everything asked of it. The new Tiguan is more spacious than its predecessor with a relatively calm ride, compelling cost, and modest rise in fuel economy. It shortfalled the driving request of the new Mazda CX-5, fuel prudence of the Honda CR-V, or the mass request of the Toyota RAV4, but Volkswagen has an ace that its challengers don't or won't. The new Tiguan, like the Atlas, comes with a superlative 6-year/72,000-mile new automobile warranty that is transferable to successive purchasers. That should improve resale prices for the Tiguan during that time, and demonstrate new owners' peace of mind. Volkswagen's guarantee is more than generous in comparison with other automakers. Beyond its superlative warranty, the Volkswagen Tiguan strives to carve a niche for itself. Its available third row is like the comparable Nissan Rogue's Wayback, which was dropped for 2018, curiously enough, best for very occasional employment only, and the Tiguan's Turbo -4 feelings labored at times on the road leading. The Tiguan S trim serves as the base and won't impress numerous purchasers beyond its low-toned entry cost of $25,345. Mid-level say simulates start to wash away those sentiments with better upholstery and the larger touchscreen. Sell premium simulates pile on tech and accessibilities.